bit of a sniffle.
Yes, I can hear that.
And a bit of a cough.
Yes, I can hear that too. Maybe you should go to bed.
Oh no, I'm perfectly achoo!
Elephant, didn't your mother teach you to use a hanky? Just the mud and the germs here. You'd better have mine.
Thanks, Mouse.
Hello, Elephant. How are you today?
Hello, Hippo. Not too bad. Just a bit of a sniffle.
Yes, I can hear that.
And a bit of a cough.
Oh no, here we go again. Look, Hippo, he's spreading germs everywhere. Tell him to go to bed.
Oh, I'm not afraid of germs. I'm too heavy.
You're too heavy?
Yes, if I see any germs, I just sit on them, squash them to death.
I see. Elephant, please don't sneeze.
Achoo!
Hello, Elephant. How are you today?
Hello, Lion. Not too bad. Just a bit of a sniffle.
Yes, I can hear that.
And a bit of a cough.
Let's not start all that again. Lion, tell Elephant to go to bed. He's spraying the whole jungle with germs.
I'm not afraid of germs. If I see any germs, I just squash at them. I just throw at them, squash them to death like this. Ah!
I see. Elephant, please don't sneeze.
Elephant, I think you need a bigger hanky.
Why don't you get them yours?
Lions don't need hankies. We might too fierce.
Where can we find a bigger house?
Aha! A hanky.
This should be big enough. Here you are, Elephant. Elephant, please don't sneeze.
Hey, I think I don't need to sneeze anymore. Oh no!